Hi, it's Rita, and today we're going to try the Ain't No Way Guys um, breakfast dump cake. I haven't tried it yet, but it looked really good. I'm at work. I'm going to try it. So we need 2 cans of these cinnamon roll, uh, cinnamon rolls, and what we do is we put those in, and then we layer this cream cheese frosting over top, and then we put this blueberry pie filling on top of that. And then we take this cake mix, just the cake mix, and we sprinkle it over top of that. And then we take 1.5 of these, cut it really thin, and put it on top of that. So work with me here. Let's see what it looks like. And we're going to give it a go. Okay, we opened it up. This is kind of what it looks like. So we are going to layer these. Oh, there's some icing in here. I guess, I don't know, maybe we'll use it, I don't know. So we're just going to take these apart. Like, so they're like this. Oh, I guess like this. We're going to put them in a 9 by 13 cake. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like here. Oh, and then he said to take this. So this is cream cheese flavored frosting, and you take this whole can and I wonder if I should have microwaved this first, because it's pretty, the way he did it, you just like poured it over top. So give me a minute and I'm going to do that. Now we get our blueberry pie filling. Oh, that looks so good. So let's get that spoon out again. Put it all in there. This cake mix, so it's, but you just take this right here. You literally we have, he wants 1.5 sticks of butter, and we slice these really thinly, and then we lay them on top here. So thinly slice it. See how thin that is? And we're just going to lay it. Okay, so here we are. It's all ready to go in the oven, 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. So let's see what happens. Oh my gosh. I can hardly wait to eat this. It's still bubbling. Oh, if you can see it, it's still bubbling. I will get back to you and let you know how good it is. Okay, so I just scooped me out some here, and it cooled off. It was a little bit hard to get out once it cools off, but I'm gonna tell you, you have to put this in the microwave so it warms up a little bit again, and then it's amazing. Oh, so good. So good. Highly recommend for you to make it. This is what it looks like. Dump cake. So good.